This is a fun one called Rain Dance. I wrote this when I was in Paris, France. It rained all the fucking time. It was beautiful though. And Mondays always make me feel this way. I ain't gonna work, I'm gonna stay home all day and play my guitar and maybe sleep some more. Won't you stay home with me, girl? We could make a love until we're so rainy days and Mondays. Who gives a damn? We'll call up some friends, have a little champagne jam. Oh, and if you want to, you can take off all your clothes, girl, and dance in the rain. You know there ain't nobody home. Oh, rainy days and Mondays are the only time I feel this way. Oh, rainy days and Mondays, the impromptu holidays. Oh, the sun comes out, just lay out at the pool. Oh, you got tomorrow to do all that shit you got to do. Oh, rainy days and Mondays are the only time I feel this way. Oh, rainy days and Mondays are the impromptu days. Oh, baby, nobody at work gonna miss you anyway. No, let me see you dance, girl. Oh, yeah. It's kind of based on a true story. But yeah.